For more than 35 years, Adamson Systems Engineering has focused on innovation. We set ourselves apart by our insistence on building absolutely everything in-house, and building teams passionate about the technology that separates us from the pack. While others went overseas, we invested in North America. This vertical integration of design and production gives our engineering team the biggest playground in pro audio. Decades of building performance systems without compromise has cemented our position as an industry driver. We've mastered every level of loudspeaker design as we manufacture components from raw material. Today, Adamson is available in all corners of the world and is used with some of the biggest touring acts, including Drake, Imagine Dragons, The Who, and Martin Garrix. It is installed in some of the world's most revered performance spaces, such as Hillsong Church's main campus in Sydney, Australia, Maison de Radio in Paris, France, Elvis Presley's Graceland in Memphis, Tennessee, Paradiso in Amsterdam, or the Sony Center for Performing Arts in Toronto. The Adamson network is a big reason for our success, with experts found on every continent. Users are trained in our state-of-the-art education center in Port Perry, Ontario, or in our facilities in Hamburg, Germany, or Chiang Mai, Thailand. The Applied, Advanced, and ACSE training programs ensure that your system can be deployed anywhere in the world from someone certified in the Adamson Education Program. When you hear an Adamson loudspeaker, you're hearing years of energy, passion, and dedication to creating something no one else can replicate. We use the building blocks of technology perfected over our history to provide our partners a product roadmap that meets the demands of our industry. The IS Series, S Series, and CS Series give production and integration companies every tool to build remarkable systems for their clients.